Yes, sir.
Yeah, now we are recording. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Which date is your interview?
1st March.
Good. Now, so what is it you have studied after our meeting last time? What are the new things
On
you have studied?
Sir, you told me about the bankers ADDA study material you provided in OneDrive.
Correct.
So I studied it, yes, and not the whole of it, but like very like
Fairly you have studied.
yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, bankers अड्डा material. उसमें से
Hmm.
your subject is commerce.
Yes,
Yeah. Now I
and
will.
MBA in finance. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Oh, MBA भी finance भी है. अच्छा.
Mm-hmm.
Very good. Now, can you tell me under balance sheet what are the ratios which we use for, say, giving advance to the borrowers? Before giving advance to the borrowers, what are the
Mm-hmm.
ratios we analyze? Name only.
Okay, name only. Then liquidity ratio,
Hmm.
in which current asset current liability ratio, quick asset ratio, acid
Hmm.
test ratio.
Hmm.
Apart from it, solvency ratio,
Hmm.
like debt to asset ratio, or profitability ratio, operating profit ratio, net profit ratio.
Hmm. These
These
things
are
are
the
tested.
ratios.
Very good, very good, very good.
Yes.
Excellent. You are coming out nicely with this. Now, can you please tell me what is meant by depreciation?
Depreciation is usually charged on fixed asset. It is wear and tear of the asset, which reduces the value of asset after a certain period of time.
Which every year we charge it to profit and loss account towards expenditure.
Yes,
That word
yes,
should.
yes.
Good, good. Very nice. Super.
And it is a non-cash. It is a non-cash expenditure.
Yeah. And can you tell me two methods of depreciation, famous ones? I will tell
Yes,
you
there
one. You
are.
tell me another. You know,
Like if I'm not
fixed,
able to recall the exact.
fixed,
Yes, fixed amount of depreciation, like a percentage is there, or
fixed
sometimes it
percentage.
is like and sometimes it is like weighted. Uh,
Reduced
I'm
percentage.
not able. Yes,
Reduced
yes, reduced per.
method. Fixed
Yes.
percentage method. Another one
Hmm.
is reduced balance
Percent.
method. Good.
Yes.
What do you understand by inflation?
Inflation is like when the prices of goods and services are higher and the
Hmm,
supply is not much enough. So that
hmm,
situation is called inflation.
good.
It
But
is the case when the consumers are having liquidity in their hands,
hmm,
but
and
the
they
supply is not enough.
correct, and they are able to pay more.
Yes,
Very good.
this situation leads to inflation.
Excellent. Good, good, good. What is the nature of work you are doing in your office without telling the name of the organization? Tell me.
Okay. So should I tell in the like designation or the
No,
mm,
designation, leave it. Tell me work you are
mhm.
doing. What is the work you are
Okay.
doing?
So I'm working like executing trades, putting orders by checking the market, how in which direction it is going, because I work in stock market. There
Oh,
are various utilities. Yes,
mm,
there are various utilities. So I
mm,
keep a check on them. If
mm,
there comes a bug in that and orders are not placed, then
mm,
I used to clear that bug and place order manually
mm.
also. I
Good.
also deal in mutual funds in which I used to prepare forms and taking follow up from relationship managers that why this fund is not coming
Mm,
or like this. If the fund is not coming properly, I used to make redemption also.
mm.
So these kind of works.
No, no,
And
actually,
apart from this, I also put accounting entries in the trades we have executed.
mm. See, here itself you can get a lot of questions relating to this. Can you tell me
Yes.
what are the two famous stock exchanges in India?
Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange, and both are headquartered in Mumbai.
Can you tell me what is the Bombay Stock Exchange index called?
Um,
Bombay Stock Exchange stock index is called, there is one name. What is that name?
Bank Nifty.
No, no,
Bank Nifty.
BSC Sensex.
Okay, BSE Sensex.
BSC
Yes.
Sensex, it consists of the
Okay.
average of the price of the 30 leading company shares taken from all walks of life. For example,
Hmm.
banking, you know that, na? You know that
Yes, sir.
banking, education, construction, etc. From all walks of life.
Yes, sir.
Hello? Now I'm in the midst of an interview. Please call me after 20 minutes. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Um, Good. So BSC Sensex. Okay, that's right. Now, what is the
Okay.
index called in National Stock Exchange?
Um,
Nifty.
NSE Sense Nifty.
Nifty. You are
Yes,
aware
sir.
of it, but Apko, you out of fear, you are forgetting. You should not have fear. Am I going to eat
Yes,
you?
sir.
No. Or the people there, are they going to eat you? No. So don't have fear. Good. See, this smile is good.
Yes, sir.
You smile very well, and this will take you um, towards the
To
bank.
next
Don't
step.
worry. Be
Yes,
confident.
sir.
But now
Thank you, sir.
your face is very clear. Your body language is good, and because I could not visualize this when I was talking over phone. Now I can
Yes,
see
sir. Correct.
you're a bright girl who is interested in achieving things. Good. Now
Thank
tell
you, sir.
me what who is the governor of RBI?
Shaktikant Das.
Very good. Who is the chairman of IRDAI?
Um, I'm not aware of it, but I know the full form and the functioning of IRDAI.
Subhash Chandra Kuntia.
Okay,
Subhash
Subhash Chandra Khuntia.
Subhash Chandra Kuntia.
Khuntia.
These
Yes,
things,
sir.
current affairs, we have to know. Who is that? This also you may not know. Who is the Comptroller and Auditor General of India now? He was previously Governor of Jammu and Kashmir. His name is
Uh,
Marmu.
Girish Chandra.
Marmu.
Girish Chandra Chatur.
Some Marmu. Murmu.
Yes,
Marmu.
sir. I'm not able to
Very
recall the
good.
name.
No problem. Absolutely no problem. You can get some of the magazine like GK Today.
Okay.
Are you able to see?
Okay, sir.
Something like
Yes,
that,
sir.
wherein you can see
Is
them and then read. Okay. Now
is
I will
the
ask
current yes, sir, one
current
question. The
affairs.
current
Current
affairs
affairs in
are
fact,
also available on the drive you given to us.
yeah, in the say in our Telegram 72020. Yesterday I
Mm-hmm.
have posted 3 4 materials. One
Okay,
of
for
which
current affairs.
no no no. One is current affair of Raise
Okay,
Institute. Number two
okay,
is what number two is say bankers adda new banking awareness for the latest one.
okay,
Number three,
okay,
government schemes.
okay. I will go through all of them. Yes, sir.
Please go through all
Individually.
of them.
Yes,
Good.
yes, sir.
Excellent. Last week, what did you study? A up to
Last
May.
week. Yes,
Last
sir.
3 4 days, before 3 4 days. Last time when we talked
Uh,
about me, what did you study? I
I
know
was
why are you
going.
taking 250% importance on you for office work? Huh? ऐसा नहीं लेना है. Huh? If I think you cannot succeed if I don't come, that is also wrong. Similarly, आप जितना काम करना है 7 घंटा 8 घंटा वो कर लीजिए. उसके बाद में अपना
Hmm.
डेवलपमेंट के लिए पढ़ना है. Yeah.
Yes,
Uh,
sir. I do
what is
that.
it
Yes,
you
sir.
read?
Then I was reading like banking questions or preparing for like general questions which can be asked in interview,
Hmm.
banking awareness questions. So these
Very,
were things.
very
I
good.
found them on YouTube as well as on Google.
Hmm. Good.
And in recently 2 3 days, I was reading the material you provided on OneDrive.
Very good. Excellent. Now from there, can you tell me what is meant by CTS?
Check truncation system.
Correct. Where it is
It is
used?
like uh, I don't know the exact
Where it is
definition, but
used?
it is like in
See,
clearing the
truncation
checks. I
system
think.
is used in the process of collection of checks from one
Huh.
bank on another bank. The
Yes.
nowadays we are not sending the physical checks for collection. We are sending
Mm-hmm.
the image of the check. to the drawee
Yes,
branch.
scanned copy.
The
Yes, sir.
checks are retained at the collecting branch itself. So this process is known as check truncation system. समझ गया?
Yes, sir.
Good.
And it takes approximate T plus 2 days, I think. Yes.
2 to 3 days.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Please tell me what is check truncation system.
So it is a process where scanned image is
Hmm.
sent to the Droids bank over email,
Hmm.
and it takes
Not
a
over
process of
email.
two to
Don't use the word email. Drawee
Mhm.
image is sent to the drawee bank. It is through the clearing house.
It is to
It
the
is through the
clearing house.
clearing house.
Okay, okay. So a
Hmm.
scanned copy is sent to the Droids bank
Hmm.
through the clearing house, and this process is takes about 2 to 3 days.
Hmm. Good. Excellent. That is why we are able to cut the time, between Chennai and Delhi, it used to take 10 days. Now it takes 3 days only.
Yes,
Very good.
yes, sir.
Now tell me the important parties to a check. There are four parties. There are four
Important
parties
parties of a
involved
check.
in a check. Who are the
Okay,
parties?
yes. Like drawer, the person who has made the check, who has the account in the bank. The
Correct?
drawee, to whom the payment will be made,
Super.
and the bank,
Hmm.
through which the payment will be made,
What
and
is,
the
what is
Droids bank.
that bank called? Bank on which it is being
Drawers bank, drawers bank, and Droids bank,
Drawers bank. The
and
draw.
drawers bank.
No. You. Normally we can say like this. The customer drawee bank pay.
Hmm.
Then I think you included the collecting bank. That bank,
Yes, yes,
that bank is known as collecting bank. समझ गया?
yes.
I had one
Hmm.
more person in my mind in the case of checks. On the reverse of the check, some signature is made and then handed over to the other person. What is that signatory called? Supposing
Endorsee check is called.
say signature, supposing you give a check to me, I endorse on
Mhm.
the back of the check and give it to my wife. So,
Hmm.
what is the, how am I called? I am called endorser.
Yes, endorser. Yes,
Endorser,
SER.
endorser. The,
Yes, sir.
the act of signing is called endorsement.
Yes, sir.
समझ गया? Good.
Yes,
Now
sir.
I
Correct.
will ask you the rates which I asked you last time. Do you remember them? What is the present bank rate?
It is 4.25%.
Good. What is the present MSF rate?
It is also 4.25%.
Good. What is the present CRR?
3%.
Good. What is the present SLR?
SLR, 18%.
Good. What is the present repo rate?
3%.
3
No, no,
point.
4%. Sorry. 4%.
Good. What is the present
4%.
reverse repo rate?
3.35%.
Very good. Can you tell me what does the rate 3.35 signify? Who pays this interest or who charges this interest?
It is charged by Reserve Bank of India to maintain the liquidity in the economy from
No,
banks.
no, no, no. The answer is different. The reverse repo rate is the rate that the Reserve Bank of India gives commercial banks when they keep their surplus funds with RBI.
Okay. Yes, sir.
A reverse repo rate is the rate the Reserve Bank of India pays when the banks keep surplus funds with them or a Reserve Bank takes money from them or borrows from them. This is known as
Yes.
what? A reverse
Reserve,
repo rate.
reverse repo
The
rate. Yes.
opposite of that is where the bank is borrowing for short period from banks, say up
From
to
Reserve Bank of
90
India.
days or so, that is known as
Yes,
repo
sir.
rate and
Yes.
4%. Now I am
Yes,
asking a
sir.
very tough question. When will RBI raise repo rate?
This forms a part of monetary policy, and
Hmm.
repo rate increased when RBI is of the view that there is much liquidity in the hands of market,
Hmm.
and to take out
Good,
the
sufficient,
liquidity,
sufficient,
therefore it
sufficient.
is increased.
You told that what I wanted, you are able to tell. Very happy, very, very happy. Now, um, are you aware of financial inclusion?
Yes, sir. Financial inclusion, the main objective of financial inclusion is to make the service available to the people who are not aware of it, like rural areas or the urban areas where the banks are not available. So, financial inclusion, there are various schemes like Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, banking correspondents, banking facilitators, and regional rural bank are also there for financial inclusion only.
Correct,
Priority sector lending.
correct. Small banks, payment banks, A-
Yes.
Atal Pension Yojana, PMSSBY, PMJJBY. All these things you have to
There is
tell.
also a basic saving bank deposit account. This is also forms a part of
Good.
financial.
That is very important. Basic savings bank deposit account. That's important.
Yes, sir.
Where they are given loan of 10,000 rupees.
Yes,
Very
sir.
good.
Overdraft facility is there.
Do you know car driving?
Yes, sir.
Acha. Do you know two-wheeler driving?
Yes, sir.
Oh, good. Now, um, what are the essentialities when you are driving on the road, say your scooter?
So first of like wearing helmet,
Hmm.
and
Good, good,
nowadays it is mask also,
good,
and
good, 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 very good. Hmm.
yes, there should be a number plate on your vehicle. You should follow the traffic rules, like
Hmm.
following the red lights
Hmm.
and drive only when green signal is there. Speed
Hmm.
limit is also there.
Hmm.
And when you take a turn right or left, whatever, you should have indicator also,
Hmm.
start the indicator.
Hmm. Some more is there. You must retain the RC book, insurance, etc. in your vehicle.
Yes, sir. Pollution
And
certificate is
and you
also
must
in.
have your driving license with you.
Yes, sir.
Then what else? You must be alert, active on the road, not thinking about anything else. This is
Yes,
what
sir. Yes.
the younger generation people do. They have one phone here, another phone here, go on talking and then make a dash. So one
Yes,
should
sir.
not do like that. At what speed will you go in two-wheeler? Max.
It is um,
Your
40,
mummy
I
daddy
think.
will be hearing it. Your mummy daddy will be hearing it. Please tell carefully.
Yes, sir. I think it's 40.
40 is correct. 40 is
Yes.
reasonable. Good.
Yes.
Now, can
And
you
for
tell me
four wheeler, it is 60.
60? Oh,
Yes,
Baba,
I think.
never I have driven more than 40, even in Delhi. Even in Delhi, बड़ा रास्ता है 40 का ऊपर में नहीं जाएगा because I was how much 45, 48. So I wasn't confident
Okay.
about 46. इतना ही चलाएंगे. Good. Now tell me,
But yes, sir.
yeah, tell me.
What was the limit in car? What was the limit in car?
Now I was
Have I?
bank was giving me only Maruti car. Those days,
Oh, okay.
in those days,
Okay.
chief managers were eligible for Maruti 800 car and self-driving. No, no
Okay. No
driver
driver was
was.
given.
Yeah, very good.
Okay.
So that way,
Yes.
that helped me a lot. I used to take class in the college, then take a car, go to office, work there, start from there by 5:45, come back at 6:30, take class from 6:30 to 8, then come back, prepare something like that I used to do. Because that was there
You
was
had
a
a very busy day.
yeah, that was like you only, like you
Yes,
only.
sir.
There was a college known as SN Das Gupta College in Delhi,
Okay, sir.
and
Okay.
excellent college started 60 years ago. So for them, I was preparing. Very good. Now coming to your your stock exchange side, tell me what is
Yes.
bullish.
Bullish is like when the market goes up. So it is
Hmm.
called as bullish market. And when
What
the
is,
market goes down, it is called bearish market.
what is bearish? Yeah. Correct, correct. What is the present trend of the Bombay Stock Exchange?
Uh, Present trade and what
You
like
are not verified. Did you see that? What you are not verified it, no?
no like
Doesn't
I didn't
matter.
understood the question.
Somewhere around 45, 46,000 and all. Maybe if we want, we can search and get it here. But it is advisable for you to know the current trend at least.
Like index,
इंडेक्स
like what is the index?
इंडेक्स मालूम होना है
Okay.
इसलिए आप कागज पढ़ना है
Yes, it is around 34,000.
no अभी 51,544
It is Sensex. Yes.
हाँ BSE Sensex
Yes.
51,000 you are talking about Nifty
And
is
Bank
somewhere
Nifty.
in less than 20,000
Yes, sir. Around 15,000 it must be.
yeah इतना ज़्यादा नहीं गया
Yes, sir. And Bank Nifty was around 34,000.
oh अच्छा you go through that also
Sir, actually during trades, the chart
but
are
this you
front of
must
us.
be knowing na
Yes,
yeah
sir.
Nifty ना आता नहीं है good very good now what would you like to be after 10 years from now? Are you very keen about making career as your 15,163? Nifty 15,163. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Now, what would you like to take banking as, sorry, career as your main option or family as your main option or both?
So both are on their like they both have importance.
Hmm. Which one?
So, but like I have to choose one from both of them.
Naturally, obviously. either
Okay.
either masala dosa or idli दोनों में एक चूज करना है
Okay.
Hmm.
So for me now it is career
It is career
because
good
yes,
will
because
your
for
family
family
encourage it will your family encourage it
I have influenced them
very
to
good
send me outside for bank because earlier they
excellent
were not influenced enough. So I convinced them for it.
very good because these are people like Arundhati Bhattacharji then Sudha Narayan Murthy then our that what is that madam Kiran Majumdar Shah, Chanda
Okay.
Kochar. Chanda Kochar is bad girl. Don't talk about her. Why am I tell she is bad
Okay.
girl? Why?
I don't know.
She committed lot of frauds in ICICI Bank.
Oh
She was
yes,
the
yes, yes, sir.
she
I've
was the
heard it. Yes,
chairman
sir.
of ICICI Bank
Yes,
and
sir.
she committed
Yes, sir.
lot of frauds. Now case is
She
not
is the
settled.
founder of PepsiCo.
No. That is Indira Nooyi.
Okay. Yes,
Indira
sir.
Nooyi was not founder. She was one of the chairperson.
Okay.
She
Yes, sir.
studied in our Tamil Nadu only,
Okay.
Madras Christian College. She was very, I think she is now in America. Who
Okay.
is the vice president of India? Sorry, vice president of America.
Um, it is
अभी नया चेंज
he's
हुआ ना
Indian, I think. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. He's Indian also. Forgot.
Kamala Harris.
Yes, sir.
Mrs.
Yes, sir.
Kamala. I am
She
asking
was
because
in the
she is
news.
from, I am
Yes.
asking because she is from our state, Baba. That is why.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
She is
yes.
not actually from our state. Probably she was born here, but her family, etc., has been living there for quite some time. Who is the
Living.
president
Yes,
of
sir.
our United States of America?
President
Hmm. Joe Biden.
Joe Biden. Yes, sir. He's also elected some few months ago. Yes.
Democratic Party. He has been elected
Yes,
under
sir.
Democratic Party.
Democratic Party.
Can you name the president against whom impeachment process is now going on in America? The
Not
previous president.
having.
What is his name? Trump.
Previous president. Okay.
Okay, very good.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
who is our vice president? Why are you blinking?
I
Venkaya
forgot the
Naidu.
name.
Venkaya
Yes, sir.
Naidu.
But actually, I'm not trying enough confident enough in regarding this current affairs and
Current affair जरूर चाहिए. If you want to write bank exams, current affair is yeah must. Correct? Yeah.
yes, sir.
Venkaya Naidu. Then I have already posted one list of ministers and all that also you must
Okay.
go through. समझ गया?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I
Who
will
is
go
our
through.
president? Don't know. What?
I know, I know.
Up till now, you are answering very well. I was about to give you 9.5. Now you are coming
I know,
down.
but like now I
Ramnath
know, but
Kovind.
yes,
Ramnath
Ramnath
Kovind.
Kovind.
Good.
Yes,
Ramnath Kovind. Good.
and
You
Prime Minister is Narendra Modi.
studied MBA in which college?
Banastali Vidyapeeth.
Yeah. Can you recollect the qualities of a very good close friend of yours? What made her your close friend? Now, I don't want the names.
Uh, yes, sir. Like for me, the basic quality of a good friend is she must be understanding
Hmm.
and like not all the time having fun only. She
Hmm.
should be studious also.
Hmm.
To whom, like with whom I can study and as well as I can have fun also.
Hmm.
So these are the things, and
Understanding, giving up,
yes,
mainly
yes, sir.
giving up. Good,
Yes,
excellent, very good. Mummy, daddy.
yes, sir.
Daddy is what is he doing?
He is retired now. He was Ayurvedic doctor, government Ayurvedic doctor.
Good. Of these two people, whom do you like very much?
Both,
Both.
both have
Good.
yes, both are
Excellent,
important.
excellent, excellent. Good. That's nice. Now I will come to some of the difficult things you may not remember. Sukanya Samriddhi scheme means what?
Sukanya Samriddhi scheme was launched to empower the girl. Like it is a account opened when the girl is below 10 years of age, and in this the minimum, the first amount should be 500, and after that the installment are in multiples of 100. In this, when a girl attains the age of 18 years, then she can withdraw half of the money for her higher education, and it is valid up to like from opening the account to 20 years of it, and the maximum
What is the
deposit
maximum that can be remitted at 1 year?
1 lakh.
1,50,000.
Yes, sir, 1,50,000.
Good, very nice. So one thing, whatever we study, somewhere some new question will come. We can't answer it. Do not worry about you are missing one or two questions. This sort of a
Yes, sir.
smile will get you good marks. You have five
Yes,
more
sir.
minutes? Do you have 5 more minutes?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
you have 5 more minutes. Good. Normally nowadays I do it for 20 minutes, but आपका participation देखे हमको बहुत खुशी हो गया.
Thank
I'm
you, sir.
very, yeah, I'm very happy in asking you more questions. What is your hobbies? What are your hobbies?
Sir, I like to do like activities like which keeps me physically fit. Like for that, I used to go in gym.
Gym, yeah,
Yes, sir.
that is the main thing. Gym
And
only. Good.
yes,
Gym.
sir.
But
And
how long will you spend time in gym? 15, 20 minutes, half an hour?
no, like for 1 to 1.5 hours.
Oh, 1 hour.
Yes, sir.
Acha,
Yes, sir.
good. Rajasthan.
Yes, sir. From Jaipur.
Yeah, now, very important question. Priority sector.
Yes,
Have you
sir.
heard? Have you heard about this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Priority sector leading.
Now I'll ask question one by one. How much percentage of advances should be given by commercial banks to priority
Priority
sector?
sector lending.
Hmm.
It is 74%.
I am asking about commercial banks. 40%.
Yes, sir. 40%. And for regional rural banks and small finance bank, it is 74%. Yes, sir.
75.
75. Yes, sir.
75%. Again, tell me, priority sector, commercial banks should make how much percentage of their total um,
net
advances.
demand type liabilities. Yes, sir.
Adjusted
40%.
40%.
40%. Yes, sir.
Yeah, and small banks.
75%.
Why are you remembering 74? Did you read somewhere 74?
Uh, no, sir.
I
Actually,
think
I
it
was
is.
confused because it is like foreign direct investment are allowed this
Oh,
percent and
in
yes,
insurance
sir.
industry now 74.
Yeah.
Yeah, good.
Yes, sir. So
Small
I
banks,
got confused.
small banks कितना दे सकते हैं? कितने?
Priority sector lending में
Ah,
75%.
good. Now is the criteria. Very tough question. Tell me at least 7 of the 9 items coming under priority sector.
Okay. So housing, renewable
Hmm,
energy,
hmm,
social infrastructure,
hmm,
export,
hmm,
education,
hmm,
um, MSME sector,
hmm,
agriculture,
hmm.
and others.
One more नया वाला कुछ ऐड किया अभी स्टार्टअप्स
Startups. Okay.
स्टार्टअप्स बोल के नया वाला सीतारामन जी अभी अभी ऐड किया है दैट यू मे नॉट नो
Okay.
वो तो बुक में आया नहीं
Yes,
है
sir.
वो भी ऐड करना
Mm-hmm.
है गुड वेरी गुड
Okay.
आई एम एक्सट्रीमली हैप्पी you have been able to tell this correctly good now coming to working capital means what.
Working capital is the difference between current asset and current liability.
Hmm,
Working capital defines the liquidity of an institution, like
hmm.
how much liquid it is and how well it can pay off its liabilities without harming the liquidity of the solvency of the institution.
Sorry, wrong, slightly different. Working capital is the amount required for running day to day operations.
Yes, sir.
Working capital is the amount required for day to day operation के लिए electricity, employee salary, so many things.
Yes.
That is working
Yes, sir.
capital. Fixed fixed investment means what?
Fixed investment.
Hmm. A borrower comes and asks you, I want 10 crores fixed investment, that is term loan.
Okay.
So, what is the purpose for which it can be given?
Uh, are you talking about term loan or fixed
Term
deposit
loan.
account?
Term loan is given for which
Okay.
purposes? Acquisition
Term
of
loan are
assets,
given for a specific, yes, sir, for long-term purposes like housing loans or infrastructure loans
vehicle
for
loan,
these like
vehicle loan,
vehicle loans.
establishment
Yes.
of factory, etc.
Mm-hmm.
I want to ask 2, 3 questions where you will answer correctly so that I will feel happy. I don't want you to go to office without with having a bad feeling. Who is Harshvardhan? Harshvardhan.
Health minister, I think.
Good. Very good. Who is
Dr.
our KK
Harshvardhan.
Venugopal ji?
Okay, I'm sorry, I'm not
Attorney
really.
General.
Attorney General of India. Yes, sir.
Attorney General
General of India.
of India.
India.
Very good. Now, how do you read English books or not?
Like
Not.
if you're talking about novels, then no.
Hmm.
I have
And
only
novels,
studied English
novels,
through my.
novels. Do you read?
No, I don't read novels.
Okay. Who is a person who talks too much? उनको क्या बोलते हैं? Do we say is glutton or reveler or sensualist or omnivore? Don't know? You have not heard? A person who talks more is known as glutton.
Glutton. Okay.
GLU. This is English.
Okay.
A religious discourse is called what?
Sorry, sir. Can you please repeat?
A religious discourse is called what?
Religious discourse.
But yeah, answer is I'm not very happy.
Atheist.
Uh,
Atheist, like the person who
no,
not into religious activity.
atheist is one who doesn't approve of religious activities. Theist
Mm-hmm.
is one who believes that there is God.
Yes,
Correct?
sir.
Very good. Otherwise, fine. You have participated very well today, and I think I should give you 9 out of 10. Best wishes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Bye bye. I'm
Yes.
closing.